Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing recipe for meatballs and gravy. Let's get into it. Alright guys, now let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Here I have some fresh ground beef and I'll be using some eggs. I have some beef broth, but you can use chicken broth as well. I'll be using some breadcrumbs, onions, bell pepper, some garlic, flour, fresh green seasoning. The link to that will be listed down below. I have some paprika, garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, and some chicken bouillon. If you have beef bouillon, you can use that instead. So basically I went ahead and just seasoned my ground beef with those seasonings and the fresh green seasoning. I also added my eggs and the breadcrumbs, get in there with my hands and mix until everything was well combined. Once you're done marinating your ground beef, you want to go ahead and prepare some meatballs. You can make them as big or as small as you like. And you want to place them on a cookie sheet. You want to make sure you line your sheet with some foil or parchment paper. Once you're done, you want to place it in a 425-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, this is how they are looking. They smell so amazing. We will use that same oil in the pan to, fry up our aromatics and stuff. Next, you want to go ahead and add your onions, bell peppers, and your garlic. Give them a good mix and allow to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, the oil may seem like it's a lot, but I'm using the same ratio of oil to flour. You need the same amount, so that's why it looks like a lot. But once I add the flour and my beef broth and stuff, it will be okay. So you want to add your flour in now, give it a stir and allow the flour to cook for about a minute or two. You want to cook away that raw taste before you add the rest of the ingredients. Now in with our beef broth, you want to give this a stir and allow it to thicken. I will also add my seasoning here to add flavor and taste. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to your own preference. I also added a pinch of sugar just for balance. And I went in with some mushroom soy sauce for color, because you want that nice vibrant brown color for your gravy. You can use browning. Any brown sauce that you have on hand, you can use for the coloring. So once this thickens nicely, we will let it go for about a minute or two, and then we will start to introduce our meatballs into the gravy. Once you add the meatballs in here, you want to allow it to go for about 5 minutes or so, just to allow that gravy to absorb into the meatballs. And just in case the meatballs weren't cooked all the way through in the oven, they will get time to cook through here. And lastly, we will garnish with some fresh parsley, and that's basically it, guys. Quick, easy, and simple. This is so mouth-watering, delicious. I can't wait for y'all to try it. Now, let me plate it up and show you guys the finished product. So I did pair this up with some split peas rice and a fresh garden salad. And let me tell you, I truly enjoyed it. Like I said, give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements down in my description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.